I will be demonstrating our Sprint 4 material and how we've met the acceptance criteria for the use case that we performed, which was generate client delivery report. I'm going to start here with our schema where we show our client interaction, and delivery route objects. As you can see, we have all the fields required for each client and the client interaction and the client delivery route objects. We'll close out of the schema. Go to clients, show you where we've recorded clients. Here we have the 6 clients provided in the sample data. Our numbers are a bit different than the sample data, but still represent each of the 6 clients. Going to client interactions. Here's the 6 client interactions. We have the 4 required attributes of the client interaction table, which are client ID, which is a foreign key from the client table, delivery date, here we go, client ID, delivery date, delivery status, and then event notes, which we have left blank for the client so far. Also, just to demonstrate our delivery routes, here's all the delivery routes that were provided in the sample data with the route ID and corresponding neighborhood. Moving on to the specific acceptance criteria for our generate client delivery report. Client delivery report, it looks approximately like the one that's been provided with the acceptance criteria for generate client delivery report. It includes a delivery date, it includes the client name, it includes the route ID, includes the meal type, includes the bag only checkbox, it includes meals to report, and then here it includes the delivery status for each of the corresponding client deliveries. We also have subtotals for each delivery status. Here you can see the subtotal for this delivery status delivered is 15. Subtotal for missed is 6. And then the subtotal for redone is 3. We also have the total meals delivered as the sum of meals delivered and redelivered. Here, it's 18. And we can specify a date range here. Say we want to specify from October 29th just to October 29th. And that just shows the October 29th ones. So as you see here, we're going to go from 1029 just to 1029 on the report, and it only shows the 1029 client deliveries. Now, we do not have to sort the report by age, so we have not included that in our client delivery report. One thing I'd like to mention as far as our overall look to the report, as far as it looking generally about the same as the one that was provided, one issue that we ran into is that our grand total as provided for the delivered and the redone, which although the number is correct, we couldn't appear to get the grand total to show up at the bottom, which I think would be the more appealing way for it to be included. That's something we would like to address in our next sprint and to correspond with the product owner about. That should demonstrate how we have met the acceptance criteria for the use case of generate client delivery report and therefore have completed our sprint deliverable.